In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube in Brave browser. First, we'll begin by launching the Brave browser on your device. This is a key step because Brave offers enhanced privacy features, which makes your browsing experience more secure. Once your Brave browser is open, you'll notice its sleek and user-friendly interface designed to keep distractions at bay. Now, in the top address bar, type youtube.com and press enter. This action will direct your browser to the YouTube homepage. The address bar is your gateway to navigating the web, so entering the correct URL is essential. YouTube will load swiftly thanks to Brave's efficient ad blocking capabilities, which help pages load faster. Next, you'll have the option to log in or use the site as a guest. Logging in allows you to access your subscriptions and interact with content like commenting or saving videos. However, if you prefer to prioritize privacy, using YouTube as a guest is completely fine. This flexibility is one of the benefits of browsing with Brave. If you choose to log in, be assured that Brave's privacy features will help protect your personal information. After that, to make returning to YouTube easier in the future, click on the bookmark icon, which is located on the left side of the address bar. This will add YouTube to your bookmarks toolbar. Bookmarking is a simple action that saves you time in the long run, allowing for quick access to your favorite sites. Once bookmarked, YouTube will be just a click away whenever you open your browser. At this point, you are ready to explore the vast world of YouTube. You can search for videos, create playlists, or even start your own channel if you're feeling creative. Remember, Brave browser's built-in features like script blocking and advanced cookie controls enhance your security while you enjoy content. This means you can focus on what's important without worrying about unwanted tracking. With that ready, feel free to explore different settings in the Brave browser to optimize your experience. From here, you can customize your privacy settings further by accessing the browser menu. Adjusting settings can enhance your control over ads and trackers, ensuring an even more personalized and secure browsing experience. Finally, remember that Brave browser continuously updates to improve security and functionality. Keeping your browser updated ensures you benefit from the latest enhancements and features, providing you with the best possible experience. By following these steps, you've successfully set up YouTube on Brave browser. You can now enjoy streaming videos with the added peace of mind that Brave's privacy features offer. As you navigate YouTube, you might notice smoother playback and fewer interruptions thanks to Brave's efficient handling of online content. Thank you for following along today. With these instructions, you're well equipped to use YouTube on Brave browser confidently. Enjoy the enhanced security and privacy as you browse, and don't hesitate to explore more of what Brave browser has to offer. Until next time, happy browsing!